Let's start. The project name is Toggle Button. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI. Here, we have a toggle button. Let's see the code. So, we have constraint layout as the root layout. And, this is the toggle button. If you want to change the on and off text of the toggle button, the attributes for that are Android text on and Android text off. Let's see the Java code. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app_compat activity. This is the toggle button. In onCreate function, we have set the onCheckChange listener to the toggle button. The listener has a function called onCheckChange. This function checks if the toggle button is checked, on or off. Here, we have shown a toast that displays the on-off status of the toggle button. Let's run the app. So, as you can see, when I check the toggle button, on and off, the same can be seen in the toast over here. So, that's it. That's how you can implement the toggle button in Java Android. Thanks for watching.